Come on, Blue. I think it's time for bed. Good night, Mechanicals. Huh? Bobby, what are you doing here so late? Oh dear, you need a new wheel. I can fix that, but we need to be quiet. Huh? Ah! Phew! That was a close one. No, 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 no! Hit! Oh! All done, Bobby. Good night. Perhaps I'll just sit down for a moment. There you are, Mummy Truck. Your new tyre should be all set. All right, Mechanicals, let's load up that fence. We don't want another truck to get a flat tyre too. Baby Truck, wait! You mustn't go off by yourself. Baby Truck, where are you? Spinning screwdrivers! With this rain, we'll need eyes in the sky to find Baby Truck. Ah, that's it!
Cat, can you hear me? It's Gecko. We've lost Baby Truck. Can you help?
Claro que sí, Gecko. I'm on my way. Oh, I see tire tracks. Follow me.
Come on, Mummy Truck. We'll find your baby.
No te preocupes, Baby Truck. Grab on!
Of course! Baby Truck needs her dummy to feel safe. But how can we get it to her?
Think faster, Gecko! The water is rising!
I have an idea. Here you go, Baby Truck. Now let's get out of here. We're all safe. But next time, remember to never go off by yourself, Baby Truck. Thanks for the help, Cat.
No problema!
Oh,
Oops. Looks like the next stop is Gecko's car wash.
hello, everyone. Today is very important. It's Recycling Day.
Oh, rubbish day is rubbish. Oh, hello, Frog. Why have 5 bins when you can have 1?
Ah, here comes Mama Recycle to collect it all now. Mama Recycle! Watch out! Spinning screwdrivers! Poor Mama. Go, go, Tilly Tow Truck! Let's get you back on your wheels. Nuts and bolts. Mama's grabbing arm is bent. And she's all scratched too. Lots for us to do, Mechanicals. Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time. Your grabbing arm is bent right here. But don't worry, I have a clever idea. With some heat, the metal will bend and repair this part of our special friend. And don't forget some fresh paint too, so you will look as good as new.
Oh, help me! The wretched rubbish has returned!
Nuts and bolts! Mr. Weasel's trapped by his own waste. I don't think Mr. Weasel knows how to recycle. Let's show him how. Go, go, Mechanicals! You see, Mr. Weasel? Recycling can be fun.
Well, you're not very good at it. You missed one. This is too much effort already. Oh, soup.
Thanks, Mama. See you soon. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. The Mechanicals are having a play date with Baby Truck today.
Oh, how sweet! They're pretending Blue's Teddy is a mechanical helping to fix Baby Truck.
They do love to use their imaginations.
Ah, look, they fixed her! Hurrah!
Skiffling screwdrivers. Baby Truck doesn't look very well at all.
Oh, poor thing. You're overheating.
Bless you! Oh, let's get you back to the garage so I can check you over. I just need to take your temperature with a thermometer, Baby Truck. Don't worry, it won't hurt a bit. Nuts and bolts, that is a high temperature.
Here, Gecko, this water will help to cool Baby Truck's engine.
Thanks, Grandma. But I wonder what's making her feel unwell. Look, Grandma! Now I see what's wrong with Baby Truck. Rust spots! There's nothing to fear. It's a very quick fix. And you'll feel better very soon. I promise. Blue, can you play Fixing Teddy again while I fix Baby Truck?
Oh, sweet Blue. He's helping Baby feel more comfortable by pretending his Teddy has spots too. And I'll help the performance with my theatre skills, darling.
We will have you fixed up in no time. Oh, look at the Mechanicals. They're fixing Teddy. What tools do I need? Sander, spray paint. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Using my sander, I can smooth out the rough, rusty spots. A spray of paint will cover the sanded patches, and Baby Truck will feel better again. Hello, Mummy Truck. Baby had some rust spots, but don't worry. Grandma and the Mechanicals helped me to fix her up, and she was very brave.
Ah. And with some rest at home, she'll soon be back to her sparkly best.
Baby Truck was sick, but feels better now, thanks to your imaginations. So take a bow.
Oh, I think I need a rest now too. Oh, I don't need fixing.
Goodbye, everyone. Happy birthday to you. Hello, everyone. We're having a picnic for Miles's birthday.
Darling Miles, the finest, fastest friend on two wheels.
Oh, hello, Mr. Weasel. We're celebrating...
Celebrating my new super-duper scooter? Of course you are!
Ha! My Miles can beat that loopy pooper scooper. Last one around the lake's a soggy spark plug.
You mean a race? Bring it on!
Are you sure, Grandma?
You betcha. Can you help us make the start and finish line mechanicals? We'll use the balloons.
Try getting started without a starter motor.
On your marks, get set, go!
Hopping handlebars. Miles won't start.
Vanishing vehicle parts. Miles's starter motor is missing. Without it, the engine won't work.
I bet that wicked Weasel pinched it.
Having trouble getting started? I think I've even got time for a little break.
We just need a plan. Don't give up. That's it, Miles. We can use wind power from a balloon to propel you.
Yeah.
What tools do we need? Wrench, pump. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Keep inflating that balloon at speed. The air will help our plan succeed. Through this pipe, the air will flow to make Miles and Grandma go, go, go. With balloon power propelling our trusty friend, the race may yet have a happy end.
It's working. Miles is on the move.
Hooray!
Oh, I say, excuse me.
Oh, don't get up, dear.
Wobbling whiskers! They can't win!
Oh, Miles' starter motor. Happy birthday. Our special Miles.
Goodbye, everyone. Da 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 dee doo. Great job, Max. Spinning screwdrivers. Sounds like someone's upset. Oh, look. It's Max the monster truck and his little sister, Molly. Let's see if we can help. Hello, Max. Hello, Molly. The roundabout needs loosening. Don't worry, Molly. We'll get it turning again. Look, it's the truck family. Hello, baby truck. You need some help to make your kite fly. And I've got an idea. Mechanicals. We'll need some oil and a wrench. Okay, mechanicals, push! Whoa! Not so fast! Oh, nuts and bolts. I'm dizzy. Now to test out my plan. Ready, mechanicals? Careful this time. job, Mechanicals. Everyone's having fun. There you go, Mummy Truck. Your indicators will work fine now. Lucky I always carry spare bulbs. It's Molly playing with her favourite toy. And Baby Truck too. Make sure you share it. Poor Baby Truck. You've got a boo-boo, but you'll be okay, I promise. Molly? Let's take a look at you now, Molly. Are you okay? Huh? Oh no! Molly is leaking oil. I don't have the tools to fix her here. We need to get you back to the garage. Fast! I'm going to need your help, Baby Truck. Can you keep the road clear so I can get Molly to the garage quickly? Everyone, let's move at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need. Huh? Oh no! Eric and Dylan are blocking the road. Thanks, Eric and Dylan. Well done, Baby Truck. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Don't worry, Molly, we're here for you. Our fix will make you good as new. Teamwork and tools will help us mend any part of any friend. We weld and fix and check and then stick all the parts together again. This fix has made you as strong as before, so you won't leak oil anymore. Oh, we couldn't have done it without your help, Baby Truck. Oh, and look! Blue's fixed the toy truck. Well done, Blue. And great sharing, you two. I'm so proud of you both. Bye, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're getting ready for our Christmas party. You made an invitation for Mr. Weasel and Sly to our party. What a wonderful idea, Blue.
Oh, an invitation to a Christmas party at Gecko's garage. For us, Sly. No, thank you. We'll have a much better party here. I didn't know it was Christmas.
Never mind, Mex. Christmas isn't about who has the best party. It's about being together. Let's get those brilliant decorations up, eh?
Work faster! We must have a bigger, better Christmas party than Gecko! Sly! I need your battery to power this snow machine! Hurry! More snow! No! My party is ruined! Sly, are you okay?
Sparky screwdrivers. I think Mr. Weasel might need some help. Are you both okay?
Something's wrong with Sly! He's lost all his power!
Don't worry, Mr. Weasel. We'll find out what's wrong. Aha! I see the problem. Sly's alternator needs replacing.
His alternator?
The alternator helps to charge Sly's battery, which gives him electric power. What tool do we need? Wrench. Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. Bolt the alternator to the engine, then connect this wire. All done.
My Sly! Thank you, Gecko.
Anytime, friends. Oh, wow! Your party decorations look great!
Really? You're welcome to stay if you like. We'd really like that, wouldn't we, Sly?
We'd love to. And I have an idea.
Our party! It's a Christmas miracle!
Christmas is a time to share and to show each other that you care. Wow, look at that! Oh, thank you! Merry Christmas, everyone!
Oh, there go the sprouts all over the floor. Sly.
Hello, everyone. We're just fixing Mama Recycle. But, it's getting late. You'll have to stay for a sleepover. Come on, everyone. Time to get ready for bed. Whoa! They're so excited they'll never get to sleep. But I've got an idea. Time to get all squeaky clean before we go to bed and dream. Now it's time to dry you off. I'm coming to get you! They'll never sleep like this. Wait a minute. I've got another idea. Sleepy mechanicals, lay down your head. You've worked so hard, now it's time for a rest. Baby truck blue, red, yellow, green. It's time for bed. Good night and sweet dreams. Good night, everyone. Hello, everyone. We're decorating Cat's face for Halloween tonight. Careful, Max. Have fun, but don't forget we're guests in Cat's home. Oh, don't be scared, Mechanicals. It's just Cat. There's no such thing as monsters. Right, Cat?
See, Gecko. Meow, wow. Everything looks fantastico. Helena, could you hang these cobwebs on the control tower, porfa?
Go, Helena!
The next task is to hang up these ghosts.
I'll help you. We'll be right next door, Mex. Be careful.
Ooh, qué scary, Gecko.
What's that noise in the hangar? Nothing to fear, Mex. It's just the wind. Definitely not a monster.
Aye, Gecko, monsters aren't real. I'll show you.
A monster! Okay, there's no such thing as monsters. Wait, that sounds like Helena! She's all tangled up in these cobwebs.
Pobrecita! How did you get locked outside?
I see. Thank you for telling us. But remember, accidents happen when you're not being careful.
Helena can't fly if her rotor blades are tangled in the cobwebs.
To untangle Helena's rotor blades, we have to unbolt them. What tools do we need? Screwdriver, wrench! Gecko's garage, time to fix. Gecko's garage, let's fix this. First, we'll unscrew the cap on top to get to your blades. Ooh. Then unbolt them with this wrench. Now, let's bolt your blades back in place, then screw the cap back on your rotor, and all done!
Gracias, Gecko and Mechanicals. Helena has a surprise outside to say thank you.
Let's go, Max! But remember, always be careful wherever you roam, especially in a good friend's home. Hooray! Plenty of candy and not a monster in sight! Happy Halloween, everyone! Wow! Great job, Mechanicals! A clean garage is a happy garage. That's odd. We're losing power. Something must be wrong with our solar panels. Oh dear, the sunlight's being blocked. But that's no normal cloud. Let's go and investigate.
Try now, Dylan. I don't understand. Your engine should be working fine. I followed the instructions.
Morning, Mr. Weasel. Is everything okay?
Everything is fine, Gecko. I give up.
Let me take a look, Dylan. The bad news is we'll have to take out your engine, Dylan. But the good news is I've got a brand new one that will be much better for you and for everyone else. Perfect. We're going to need the sun's help. And so is Dylan. This battery will charge with power from the solar panels, whilst we fit Dylan's new electric engine. Looking good, Dylan. Good job, Green. Clean customers are happy customers. And a cleaner planet is a happier planet too. Hello, everyone. We've just fitted a brand new brush to the car wash. Let's see how well it works. Hooray! It's working brilliantly! Well done, Mechanicals!
With this new engine, I'm the fastest weasel in town!
Oh dear, I don't like the look of this, Mechanicals. Yikes! Look out, Mechanicals!
Mommy!
Oh, yuck! The oil has spilled everywhere.
Make it stop!
Spinning screwdrivers! Mr. Weasel's out of control!
Oh! Duh! Oh!
What a huge and nasty oil slick. Let's clean it up nice and quick. But this oil is very sticky. Oh, we're gonna need a bigger brush. Of course! We can use the old car wash brush. Please, can we attach it to your Mama Recycle? Grab some tools, it's fixing time. While we fix, we sing this rhyme. So we can clean up in a rush. Let's attach this car wash brush. Then you can spin it round and round and get that oil off the ground. Spin that brush nice and quick and let's remove this oil slick. Ready, everyone? Go, go, go! Great stuff, Mama Recycle. It's working. Great work, everyone. Now this scene is nice and clean. Unlike Mr. Weasel. I think we might have another customer, Mama Recycle. Bye, everyone. Oh, well done, Cat.
Gracias, Gecko.
We're here at Kat's place for her birthday today. We've got her a big cake, but shh, she doesn't know yet.
Someone needs rescuing.
Don't worry, Yellow. I just need to adjust the winch.
We need to fall fast. Helena, stop the rotor. Ready, Gecko?
Almost. Almost. Yes!
Another happy landing.
And... happy birthday, Cat.
Gracias, amigos.
Hooray! Ah, hurrah! Hey, it's Max, the monster truck. What can we do for you today? Oh, you want to look like your hero, King Crash! I think we can do that, Max. I'll get my tools. Mechanicals, you get started. Okay, got all my tools. Mechanicals! What have you done?
Oh, you all might think he looks great, but it wasn't what he wanted. Don't worry, Max. We'll put you right. All done, Max. Is this what you wanted? Another happy customer here at Gecko's Garage. See you all soon. Hello, everyone. It's a slow day at the garage, so the mechanicals are going to watch their favourite show, Captain Spanner.
I'm Herbert T. Weasel, owner of Weasel's Wheels.
That's not Captain Spanner.
Introducing my new, fully automated Turbo Tire 10,000. It can change any tire in just 10 seconds.
You can't change a tyre in 10 seconds. Mr. Weasel's advert is just a trick. Oh, sounds like our first customer. Huh? Gullible gaskets. Our friends have believed Mr. Weasel's TV trickery. I have to warn them, it's a scam.
Let's change those terrible tires of yours, Dylan.
Wait, Mr. Weasel! Rushing a fix can be dangerous, especially a tyre change.
Nonsense! My fixes are fast and faultless.
A failure as I feared.
Oops! Wrong button, maybe? Wait! Don't go! I can fix this! Let me go, you meddling machine! I don't need a tire change!
Don't worry, Dylan. The mechanicals and I can fix your tyres. What tool do I need? Drill wrench! Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First, we need to remove these tiny tyres from Dylan. Lefty-loosey. A dump truck needs special large tyres to carry heavy loads. Righty-tighty. Looking good, pal. All fixed. See you soon.
The Captain Spanner Show!
Huh? What's this?
Never rush or use quick tricks. We take our time to mend and fix.
Wow! We've never had a Gecko's Garage commercial before. Amazing job, Blue. And it looks like it's working. Goodbye, everyone!
Sly! Where are the batteries? Help me!
Hello, everyone. It's Christmas Eve. And these lights are ready!
Perfecto, Gecko. It's wonderful to spend a Noche Buena with you and the mechanicals. Make a wish. It's a shooting star.
I'm not so sure, Cat. Oh, no! It's Santa!
That's the last time I go to Weasel's Wheels for repairs.
Santa, are you okay?
I'm fine, but my sleigh's far from all right. These presents must be delivered before morning light.
We'll need to replace the engine at the garage, but with Helena's help, we can get the sleigh moving again and deliver presents on the way. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. First things first, tow it inside. In no time, the sleigh will glide.
This sleigh's skis are damaged and cracked. A new set will get us on track. Does Helena have extra skis like that?
Got 'em right here.
Thank you, Cat. Twist and bolt the skis right here. Listen well, we'll have to steer. Now please, Helena, pull us away to deliver these presents for Christmas Day.
Stunning! Thank you, Gecko. You're missing just one thing.
Oh. Thanks, Santa.
Hurry, Cat! It's almost morning! Ah! Well done, Merry Mechanicals! We saved Christmas! On to the garage! Well, Santa, it looks like there's one last present left to give.
There is? Did we forget someone?
It's your present! Merry Christmas, Santa!
Oh, thank you, Gecko. You're a true friend of mine. Merry Christmas. Until next time. Oh,
Hello, everyone. Baby Truck's here for a play date with the Mechanicals. I'll come play soon. I just need to finish changing Fiona Fire Truck's wheels. Oh! Someone needs our help. Oh no! There's a fire and Fiona can't help. Her new wheels haven't arrived yet. What will we do? Aha! That's it! The car wash! Baby Truck, how would you like to be a fire truck for the day? Go, baby fire truck! It's okay, Trevor. No need to fear. Gecko's firefighters are here. Oh no! We've sprung a leak! Take over, Red! Oh, good, Red! No problem, Trevor. Ah, and well done, baby. You make a really good fire truck. Bye, everyone! Hello, everyone. Today, we're holding a fix-up fair at the garage. And Grandma's here with her famous apple pie. Hello, Mr. Weasel. Can we fix anything for Sly?
Fix? Ha! I don't need help. Sly can make far tastier ice cream than Vicky. Watch!
Oh.
Oh, delicious!
Oh, ignore him, Gecky. Showing off gets you nowhere. We have work to do. Come on, let's change Vicky's wheels.
Ah! You lot are stuck in the past. Wheels?
Welcome to the future. Caterpillar tracks! Marvel at my genius! Wobbling whiskers, what's happening?
Oh dear! That gadget's gone wrong!
Oh, confounded machine! Must I do everything myself? Help!
Come on, Grandma! Let's stop that car! Pick up your tools and say this rhyme. At Gecko's garage, it's fixing time.
That's it, Gecky. Climb on top. And use this wrench to make it stop.
These crawler tracks roll round and round. We'll take them off and slow slide down. Blue, we'll need a car jack, please. It's the perfect tool for jobs like these. These gadgets put on quite a show. With wheels back on, you're good to go.
See, dear? There's no point in all these flashy gizmos and whatchamacallits if you can't get the basics right.
I had it under control. My gadgets are just a bit sensitive.
Like I said, showing off gets you nowhere.
That's right, Grandma. Bye, everyone. Hello there, everyone. Gecko here. It's a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd do some bird watching. Oh, look! It's the twins, Barry and Kerry. Oh, they look like they're having a lot of fun. Oh no! Barry's crashed! Quick, mechanicals! We need to help! Go, go, Tilly tow truck! Aha! Don't worry, Barry. We'll soon have you out of there. Blue? Ooh. Hey! Yay! Let's get you checked over. That's strange. Your engine won't start. Ah, Carrie's come to cheer Barry up. How lovely. Oh, I knew there was something fishy going on. That fish must have been stuck in Barry's exhaust. That's why his engine wouldn't start. It's so nice when your friends come to visit. It helps you get better much faster. The fish is home safe and sound. His friends must have been worried about him. Well, all's well that ends well. We'll see you again soon. Bye! Hello, everyone. Eric the excavator's in for his service. We have to check he's fit and healthy for all the digging he does. Who wants to help? I think I'll choose yellow. I know you want to play, but I think you'll have just as much fun working in the garage. We'll start by checking your engine, Eric. Let's have a nice loud rev. You can do better than that, Eric. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey, Great catch, Yellow. Time to test your caterpillar tread. That's part of the service, Eric. Let's see how your digger arm's working. Oh! Needs a spot of oil, Yellow. Well done, Eric. You've passed your service, so you're all ready for lots more digging. Do you want to go and join them, Yellow? I told you work could be fun. See you all soon for more work and fun here at Gecko's Garage.
Hello, everyone. We're having a sleepover with Grandma and Miles, who stopped by to change Miles's worn-out wheels. But that can wait until the morning. It's bedtime now, Red. Grandma is going to read us a story. When Princess Truck arrived at Lullaby Castle, she was very sleepy. Your stories are the best, Grandma. So Princess Truck dimmed her headlights and... Time to change Miles's wheels. They're all worn out. It's fixing time. Oh, is it morning already? Snoring screwdrivers! Grandma's sleepwalking! I'll attach Miles's new wheel with this screwdriver. That wheel is far too big for Miles. Where did I put that wheel? We need to get Grandma back to bed and find Miles some new wheels. This fix is very cozy. Thanks, Yellow. Aha! These wheels will fit you, Miles. What tool do we need? Drill wrench. Gecko's Garage, time to fix. Gecko's Garage, let's fix this. First, we put the wheel in place. Then we use the drill wrench's electric power to tighten the nuts. So it's fixed on securely. You fixed those wheels tonight after all, Red. But now it really is bedtime. Again. Good morning, Grandma. Morning, Gecky. Would you like a cup of tea? I had the strangest dream last night. I was trying to replace Miles's worn-out old wheels. And suddenly, I was rolling about on roller skates. Miles. Whoa! Such shiny new wheels. Where did those come from? Goodbye, everyone. Hello, everyone. Look, it's snowing. Today we're... Whoa! Careful, Blue. Wait, Tilly. You haven't got your snow tyres.
Behold! Sly is the best snow vehicle ever!
Who threw that? That pesky frog and his trash cans. I'll show them. Take that!
Let's get Tilly out of there. Push mechanical. Shivering screwdrivers. Now Tilly's a giant snowball. Oh, poor Tilly. You look freezing. You need winterproofing. Come on, Mex. Grab your tools, it's fixing time. Screwdriver, wrench. And while we fix, we say this rhyme. Oh. Let's get this new radiator into Tilly, so she'll stay warm and stop being chilly. The next thing that Tilly requires is this set of special snow tyres. Each new tyre will get a snow chain to help Tilly drive in wintry terrain. It's the emergency alarm. Someone needs help.
Garage doors, open at speed. It's time to help a vehicle in need.
Oh no! Mr. Weasel's stuck in the snow. Do you need us to tow you back to the garage, Mr. Weasel?
No, I don't. Sly's very capable in the snow. Ew! It's dripping down my neck! Oh!
Oh dear, that's no good, Mr. Weasel. Bye, everyone.
Where's all this mess come from?
Oh, Mr. Weasel, are you okay?
I made Vicky the fastest ice cream truck in the world, but she jetted off before I could have an ice cream.
We have to stop Vicky before she causes any more damage. Here she comes. Ready, Blue? Blue, quick, hit the off button. Oh, phew. Well done, Blue.
I still haven't had my ice cream. Oh!
Oh,
I hate rockets.
come on, Mechanicals. Let's go and check he's okay. See you again soon. Bye!